Ortiz with the Lifespan program through the UPISD, and today I'm making Michigan Harvest of the Month colorful quesadillas. So let's take a look at my ingredients. First, I have 8 small flour tortillas. Mine are just with white flour. If you have whole wheat tortillas, that's even better. Next, I have an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, which I've taken out of the package and microwaved to soften it a little bit because we're going to be spreading it, and I think that'll just make it a little bit easier. And I probably only microwaved it for maybe 30 seconds, not too long. Let's see, I also have 1 cup of low-fat shredded cheese. Okay. And I have 1 cup of chopped red bell pepper. The recipe calls for red bell pepper. I chopped up 1 medium-sized red bell pepper, and it probably gave me about 3/4 of a cup. So I wanted a little bit more pepper, and I had an orange pepper. And I figured we're making colorful quesadillas, why not throw another color of pepper in there? So I have a little bit of orange pepper chopped up in there as well. Should still be delicious. And then I have a cup of spinach here. This is fresh spinach. As you can see, my cup is kind of heaping. I packed it in there pretty good too. If you want to use frozen spinach, you can do that. The recipe calls for, I believe, 9 ounces. That's like a normal size package of frozen chopped spinach. And then I have some garlic powder here and a little bit of cooking spray for when we cook our quesadillas. So let's get going. First thing we're going to want to do is add some garlic powder to my softened cream cheese. And the recipe calls for 1/2 teaspoon. So that's what I'm going to grab here. Dump that right in. Okay, and I'm going to stir that garlic powder into my cream cheese. Try and get it mixed in kind of evenly. Okay, that should be pretty good. All right, so now I can start building my quesadillas. I'm gonna go ahead and grab 1 flour tortilla and start spreading. The recipe calls for about 2 tablespoons of the cream cheese mixture in or on each quesadilla. I'll grab a knife to help me out a little bit. And I'm going to spread that all over. I didn't quite get the rest of my tablespoon there, so I'm going to use my knife to help me out a little bit with that. Okay, there we go. And now I can add about the same amount, about 2 tablespoons of the I wanted to say chopped, not chopped, the shredded cheese. Okay, shredded low-fat cheese. Okay, and I'm gonna put that pretty much just on one side of the quesadilla, spread it out a little bit. And then same thing, 2 tablespoons of the chopped pepper. I'm putting that on one side of the quesadilla because I'm going to be folding the quesadilla over. You see that with the pretty pepper. And last thing, a little bit of my spinach here. And you want to just keep in mind that you're going to be making 8 of these. So you want to try to kind of guess at about 1/8 of your spinach. That looks pretty good. I might even have trouble keeping all of this in my quesadilla, but I'm gonna go ahead and try and fold it over here. See if I can get it to stay closed. Oh yeah, I have a little bit of spinach hanging out. It should be pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep making those, or that's what I would do normally. When I'm ready to cook the quesadillas, want to go ahead and spray my pan. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on my burner and get that nice and hot. I'm going to turn it on probably between medium and high. Get it hot before I cook my quesadilla. So while I wait for that to heat, I'm going to make a couple more of these, and I will check back in with you when I have a finished product here, okay? All right, stay tuned. Okay, I'm back, and I think I have a couple quesadillas on here that are ready to go. I'm going to take them off the griddle here. Give you an up-close look. Nice and golden brown right now. Hopefully not burned on the other side. We'll see. Okay. Now this might still be pretty hot, but I'm gonna see how I did on the other side. Oh yeah, not bad on the other side. A little bit darker, but not burned, I don't think. All right, I'm gonna give these a try. With the bell peppers and the spinach in them, those are both a good source of vitamin C, which remember is going to help out our immune systems, and help build strong bones too for kids. That's very important. Spinach is also a good source of vitamin K, which can help with clotting. If you were to get a cut or a scrape, it helps with the healing process. But anyway, I'm going to give one of these a try. Wow. Really good. Cheesy and garlicky, and the peppers give it a really nice crunch. And that spinach is tasty too. I love it. All right, I'm probably gonna eat a little bit more, and then I have more to keep cooking here. So I'm gonna get busy with that. Thanks for watching. I'll post the recipe with the video. Thanks again. Bye.